This is the summary video to Module 2 in the Foundations of Programming with Python video series. In this module, we covered what data is, different data types, escape characters, operators, and the overloading principle, as well as value and reference types. We have been using idle as our IDE. At this point, you should be able to answer the following questions from memory. For the ones you can't, please review the subject. What is a variable? What is a constant? How do you assign values to a variable or constant? Or what is a data type? What does the type function do? What is an escape character? What is an operator? Name some common operators. What is an overloaded operator? And what is the difference between a value and a reference type? When you can answer all of these from memory, it's time to complete the assignment and move to the next module.